our incoming Vice President has agreed to take the brief of Department of Education. Nag-agree naman siya at palagay ko kasama na dyan dahil she is a mother and she wants to make sure that her children are well trained and well educated, and that's the best motivation that we can hope for. So we have removed, in our discussions, we remove immediately what their political leanings have been. Kung lumaban ba sa atin, kung sumama ba sa atin, that's not going to be part of the discussion. I will continue to work for a government an administration that gives voice to everyone who wants to help. We may not agree, we may not in the end do, we might do exactly as they say, but whatever it is not important who the messenger is. The importance is going to be the message.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.